sinabing face. Yan. Parang hindi na face. Hey guys! Welcome back again for another vlog. Ngayon po ay pupunta ulit tayo sa school. Lagi na lang tayong nasa school. Umay na tayo sa school. Tapos pag nakagraduate, gusto ko na bumalik sa school. For today's vlog guys, ay pupunta ulit tayo sa school at samahan niyo ako at lagi na naman kayong kasama sa mga vlog ko. Manood na lang kayo dyan, wag na kayong sumama. For today's video nga, ayan, di na tayo natapos. For today's video guys ay magkakaroon po kami ng training and seminar sa school. Mga 4th year BSTM student at ako po ay host nila ngayon at gusto ko pong makita ninyo kung paano ako mag-host. Wow. Ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa school at dahil banas na ako dito sa suot ko. Ngayon ay katanghali ang tapat, alas 12 na. Para matapos na rin natin tong mga kaganapan na to sa buhay at makapagpahinga na tayo ng sobrang sarap. Ay punta na tayo sa school guys. Mag-host ako ngayon mag-host ako. Bye! Let's go! Punta muna kami ngayon ng kantin kasi bibili kami ng milk tea. 1 pa naman ang start ng program namin. Bali, nag-aantay pa ng ibang students tapos yung resource speaker namin. Hindi naman pwedeng magutom tayo at baka tayo ay mga tal dun. Hindi daw makakada. Wala naman problema pala dun sa AVR kasi naka-aircon. Kahit naka-ganito ako ng suot. May aircon naman.
Please take your seats because in a few minutes we will start our program for this year's BSTM Enhancement Training 2025. Register and sign your attendance now. Thank you so much. Everyone, mabuhay mahal tanan. Welcome to the BSTM Enhancement Training 2025 with the theme Empowering Future Tourism Professionals, Excellence in Skills, Service, and Leadership. My name is RJ Pajaron, and I will be your host for today's event.
Wala. Ayan, sino? Isa. Sino ba? Dalawa. Nagbubukas na lang siya ng aircon. Hindi siya nagtaas ng camera. Sa akin dahil gusto niya talaga. Kaya sa core memory siya mapupunta. Ano, gets? So, let's define what is food and beverage services. As food and beverage service. Sige, dito naman sa second meaning niya. Sige nga, isang drinks, tapos maghapon na doon. Yan yung mga ganun, cafeterias, o kaya ay food delivery. Hindi nga basta familiarize memorize nyo feeling ko. Memorize, hindi familiar. Ibig sabihin, mas madali na para sa inyo pag sinabi kong, Kutsar to Minsu Restaurant. Tapos, pag sinabi ka, do you have any reservations?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Minsu Restaurant. How many are you? Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Minsu Restaurant. Table for how many?
Only one.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, welcome to Minsu Restaurant. Table for how many, sir?
Only me.
Only you? Okay. Do you prefer smoking or non-smoking area?
I prefer the non-smoking area.
Okay, sir. This way. Please. Ay, wala pa nga, sir. Hindi ko na...
Anong klaseng fine dining restaurant?
I'm sorry, sir. This is not a fine dining restaurant. It's a self-service.
It's now time for us to express our gratitude and appreciation to our resource speakers who have shared their expertise and knowledge with us today. At this point of time, let's have the awarding of certificate to our dear resource speaker who have shown their support through attending today's event. We would like to invite on stage our Chairperson of Enhancement Training, Mr. Jovel Ilagay, and also our overall chairperson of OJT, Ms. Catherine Carandan, to present the certificate. But before
I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I
Katatapos lang po ng aming seminar and ngayon po ay uuwi na. Syempre, saan pa papupunta? Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!